it can only mean one thing. I mean, we've been waiting all year for this, right? It's the Z-Man Takeover, arguably our best box of the year, all the time, because it's packed from top to bottom with Z-Man. We're really excited. Every box this month is going to have a jackhammer, and if you've been afraid to drop $15.99 on a bait, I get it. It's a lot of coin, but the good news is you won't have to, because it's coming in your box, and we're going to break it down and explain to you why it's worth every single penny and why it's probably going to become one of your favorite baits after you throw it. Now, of course, we like to make sure that everything in the box pairs perfectly together. And since I'm not the expert on Z-Man, we called up our good friend Daniel Nussbaum, the president of Z-Man, and asked him to put together the pairings. And then we asked him to come on Monster Bass Live January 3rd, Wednesday, 4 p.m. And he's going to talk about all things Z-Man, all things that are related to this box, so that you guys are in the know. And so when he paired these, he said, let's take the jackhammer and fire craw. Let's pair it with the Chatterspikes. Again, fire craw, these two things are deadly, especially early in the season. You guys know how red is. We wanted to make sure we hooked you guys up. Brand new top water bait from last year, the Hellraiser. We had to put an order in early in order to get these, almost a year in advance, because we wanted to make sure that we could bring this to you guys. It's a unique top water bait. Lot of reaction strikes with this. Gramps did a video on it. We'll hook you guys up and get you access to it so that you know how to fish this. I've got an open pack here of my Power Finesse shroom heads, which pair perfectly. With these big TRDs. Again, we got green pumpkin and copper truce. Quite the combination. And then we've got a willow vibe in a size we've never carried, with streaks in a size we've never carried. The recommended bait for this is the Streaks 3.75 inch. We've never been able to carry those, and now we do. Daniel put together a great combination. So there you have it. 3 combinations of baits. You got the jackhammer, you got the willow vibe, you got the shroom heads and the TRD and the Hellraiser. That's your Platinum Series box for the month of January. All in all, about $60 worth of product, along with your booklet, your stickers, access to the videos. And we've got something new for you this year. We are gonna give you a video that breaks down the box and gives you rigging, retrieval, and location for every single bait, so that if you're new to fishing or have questions, this should answer everything, along with the Monster Bass Live, where you can call in and ask any question you have about the baits you receive in the box. Our goal is to help you become a better angler and have a lot of fun in the process. So thanks for watching this video, and hope you subscribe. Take care.